Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a nature-themed mask. For this project, you'll need a scrap piece of paper, scissors, something to stick things together with, a pen, and some colorful craft foams for colorful masks. While I was making this video, I had no idea it would be Halloween time near soon when I launched it. So, you can change this mask, make it black covered with skulls and pumpkins and scary things and all that, and use it as Halloween mask. Just to give you the idea, I made it nature themed. So, in this step, you need to draw out your mask templates, such as the main mask, flowers, and leaves. After drawing it, you should cut it out. This is my final piece, what I cut out. But if you don't want to bother drawing it, you can always search the web with these words: black and white clip art masks. There are really good results that you can print out and use. Just to remind you, the words I searched is not exactly the same because this is a transition of one of the videos in my channel. So this is what I've cut out. They're all ready to go. Then stop. This is an important step, and pick a nice color for yourself. I first picked white, but I didn't like it, so I changed it to the yellow. What you need to do is really easy. Just use the piece of paper you already cut out and draw around it. Draw around the lines you've already cut out. It's really simple. And don't forget, use the wrong side of the craft foam if you have two sides like mine. By the way, I am really sorry about my hair and my glasses always getting in the way for you to see. On this step, you should have all of your leaves and flowers and everything already cut. Now, you need something to stick things together with. I was really comfortable with double-sided tape, so I used one. But if you want, you can always use hot glue or anything else you can find. So lay out how you want your mask to look after sticking everything up, because you won't be able to change it after you stuck them. In this step, I didn't do very much things to explain, so I just cut out the tape into right sides and stick everything together. It was really frustrating sometimes to open the other side of the double-sided tape, but other than that, it is a really easy step. I am coming back right after I stick everything together. It's going to take a long time and I don't think you all want to watch it. Our final body of the mask is finally done. So, this step might be the most important step in this project. What you need is, it might be a pipe cleaner, or those thin bamboo skewers. So, when you turn the mask upside down, put one of those on the, if you're right-handed, on the right side, left-handed on the left side to the mask. And when you stick it down there, you can hold it up really easily. With the rubber band, what you need to do is you need to make sure it goes around all your face so you don't cut it for nothing. Then if it is good quality, it will, so you cut it in once, so it's a long strip, and then you stick each end to each edge of the mask. So when you put it on your face, it stays on your face. Thank you for watching. This is our mask project. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.